Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Mahdi English School. This is the class of Standard 1. We are going to learn mathematics. My dear tiny students, let's begin our day with a meaningful thought. The desire to succeed means nothing without the will to prepare. My dear students, our current chapter is chapter number 12, Multiplication Readiness. Today, we are going to complete the chapter. I already have sent you the PDF of chapter number 12, Multiplication Readiness. So, I hope you all have completed that chapter in your fair book. So, today first we will make revision and after that we will learn new exercise. Identify the groups in the picture. Write how many in each group. There are 4 clouds in the picture. Six sparrows. Three aeroplanes. 5 kites. 2 balloons. 7 butterflies. Circle and count the number of equal groups. 3 groups of clouds, 4 clouds each. Two groups of plane, 3 planes each. Six groups of birds, 6 birds each. Three groups of balloons, 2 balloons each. Five groups of butterflies, 7 butterflies in each group. Four groups of kites, 5 kites each. This was exercise number 1 and 2. This is exercise number 3. Find out how many in all. So, in this exercise, first we have to arrange the things in groups Then we have to count number of things present in each group. Then we have to find out the total number of things. So sum number A, here we can see 3 groups of clouds. Four clouds in each group. 4 plus 4 plus 4, 12 clouds in all. Sum number B, 2 groups of plane, 3 planes in each group. 3 plus 3, 6 planes in all. Sum number C, 6 groups of birds. 6 birds in each group. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. 6 6 are 36 birds in all. Three groups of balloons. 2 balloons in each group. 2 plus 2 plus 2. 6 balloons in all. Sum number E, 5 groups of butterflies. 7 butterflies in each group. 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. 5 sevens are 35 butterflies in all. Sum number F, 4 groups of kites. 5 kites in each group. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. 4 fives are 20 kites in all. When you add the same number over and over again, it is called repeated addition. One more time, when you add the same number over and over again, it is called repeated addition. Use repeated addition to complete the sentences. We have 3 groups which has 4 books inside it. So, 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 12. Three groups of 4 books each gives 12 books. Sum number B. Here we have 4 groups and each group has 2 water bottles in it. So, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. 4 groups of 2 water bottles each gives 8 water bottles. Sum number C, here we have 3 groups of 5 pencils each. So, 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 15. 3 groups of 5 pencils each gives 15 pencils. Sum number D, 5 groups of 2 erasers each we have. So, we have to make repeated addition of 2 5 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 10. 5 groups of 2 erasers each gives 10 erasers. Sum number E, here we have 2 groups of crayons. Each group has 4 crayons in it. So 4 plus 4 we get 8. 2 groups of 4 crayons each gives 8 crayons. Draw the shapes to show equal groups, then use repeated addition to find how many in all. Sum number A, 5 groups of 3 rectangles each. So, we have to first create 5 groups, then in each group draw 3 rectangles. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. We get 15. 5 times 3 is equal to 15. Sum number B, 4 groups of 2 squares each. So first we have to create 4 groups and we have to draw 2 squares inside it. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. We get 8. 4 times 2 is equal to 8. 3 groups of 3 triangles each. First create 3 groups, then draw 3 triangles in each group. So, 3 plus 3 plus 3, we get 9. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Sum number D, 2 groups of 6 circles in each group. First create 2 groups, then draw 6 small circle in one group. So 6 plus 6 we get 12. 2 times 6 is equal to 12. Use the repeated addition to find how many in all. 4 groups of 4 bubbles each. Here we have 4 groups. 4 bubbles in each group. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Or 4 times 4. 4 fours are 16. 16 bubbles in all. Draw stars to show equal groups. Then find out how many in all. 7 groups of 2 stars each. So, first of all we have to create 7 groups, or we have to prepare 7 groups. After that we have to draw 2 stars in each group. Now let's write 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 14. 7 times 2 is equal to 14. Match the two parts of the pencils. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 means 4 times 5. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Here we have 6 5 times means 5 groups of 6 each. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 6 times 4 comes here. 6 groups of 4 each. Worksheet. The gardener arranged flower pots in a rows like this. Now we are going to solve worksheet. Here we can see flower pots arrangement. The gardener arranged flower pots in rows like this. Use repeated addition to find how many flowers are in each row. Now see. First we have a flower pot. Observe it carefully. It has 2 flowers in it. So one group of 2 is equal to 2. We can say that 2 ones are 2. After that, see, we have 2 flower pots. And there, each flower pot has 2 flowers in it. 2 plus 2, we get 4. This is the one method how we can make repeated addition. We can also say that there are 2 groups of 2. So 2 2s are 4. You all have to write this. I am waiting. Write down 2 is equal to 2. One group of 2 is equal to 2. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 2 groups of 2 is equal to 4. Now see everyone, we have 3 flower pots here. Observe it carefully. Each flower pot has 2 flowers in it. If we want to write this in the form of repeated addition, we have to write 2 plus 2 plus 2. So we get 6. Everyone write down first. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. Now write 3 groups of 2. How can we count this? Yes, here we have to use multiplication tables. 3 2s are 6. Next we have 4 flower pots. Each flower pot has 2 flowers inside it. So we have to make repeated addition of 2 4 times. Why? Because we have 4 flower pots here. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. By making 4 times repeated addition, we get 8. 4 groups of 2 is equal to 8, as 4 2s are 8. Now see, here we have 5 flower pots. And each pot has 2 flowers in it. So here we have to make repeated addition of 2 5 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. We get 10. 5 groups of 2 is equal to 10. Next, see, here we have 6 flower pots. And each pot has 2 flowers in it. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. We have to make 6 times repeated addition of number 2. We get answer 12. 6 groups of 2 means 6 multiplied by 2. 6 2s are 12. In first row we have 7 flower vase. Count it and observe it. Each has 2 flowers in it, which means we have to make repeated addition of 2 7 times. We have to add number 2 7 times. Now see on the screen, we have added it already. We get answer 14. By making 7 times repeated addition of 2, we get answer number 14. 7 groups of 2, which means we have to multiply 7 with 2. 7 2s are or 2 7s are. What will be the answer? 2 7s are? Yes, 1 4 14. Next we have 8 flower pots and each has 2 flowers in it. So here we have to make repeated addition of number 2 8 times. By making 8 times repeated addition of 2, we get 16 as an answer. 8 groups of 2 means we have to multiply 8 with 2. If we check table of 2, 2 8s are, we get 16. Now see, first we have 9 flower pots. If you observe it carefully, each flower pot has 2 flowers in it. What does it means by? We have to make repeated addition of 2 9 times. Means we have to add number 2 9 times. We get answer 18. 9 groups of 2 means 9 multiplied by 2. So, we can say that 2 9s are 18 or 9 2s are 18. Next we have 10 flower pots. Now see it. Each flower pot has 2 flowers in it. Means we have to make repeated addition of number 2 10 times. We have to add 2 10 times. Repeated addition means to add the same number again and again. So in this sum we have to make repeated addition 10 times. We have to add number 2 10 times. At the end we get answer 2020. 10 groups of 2 means 10 multiplied by 2. So 10 2s are 20 or 2 10s are 20. I hope you all understand the chapter well. So this was the last exercise of chapter number 12, multiplication readiness. And yes, here the syllabus of essay 2 is completed. We have already completed tables 1 to 10 also. So almost the whole syllabus becomes completed here. From next lecture, we will start revision of essay 2 examination. So at your home everyone, stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye-bye everyone.